Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Strong Math. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the distance formula of coordinate geometry in 2 dimensions. In the previous video I have discussed about the basic concept of coordinate geometry, the x-axis, the y-axis, that is abscissa, ordinate and the coordinates. So do watch this video very carefully, don't skip the video. At first let's discuss about the distance between any 2 points. Suppose 2 points are lying on the x-axis. So first one is coordinate is 2, 0 and second one the point whose coordinates are 4, 0. Then clearly you can find out the distance between them, and the distance between these 2 points basically the length of their coordinates. Okay. Here the distance between these 2 points is 2 units, right? 2 units. First one is 20, second one is 40. Now if we want to find out the distance between any 2 points lying on the y-axis, suppose here one point is 0, 5, this point, coordinates of this point are 0, 5, another point is suppose 0, 2. Okay, then what will be the distance between them? Then the distance between these 2 points is nothing but the distance between the ordinates of the points, and the distance between them is 5 and this is 2, 0, 2 and 0, 5. Then distance between these 2 points is nothing but 3 units. So clearly if any 2 points lying on the x-axis or lying on the y-axis, we can easily find out their distances. Then what will happen if these 2 points is not lying on the same axis? For that, suppose first point is say 5, 2, then this will be the coordinates of the first point 5, 2, and say another one is 2, 4. Then the coordinates are 2, 4. Then what will be the distance between these 2 points? That is, we have to find out this distance between these 2 points. Okay, then how to find out the distance between these 2 points if they are not lying on the same axis? Then we want to draw, let's write down the coordinates of this point here 2, 4. We want to draw a right angle triangle. That is, how to reach this point? We have to go along the x-axis up to 2 units of distance, and then we have to go this distance, right? And for this one we have to go along the x-axis 5 unit distance, and then 2 unit of distance along y-axis. Then how to measure the distance between these 2 points? Say this is point P, this is point Q, and this is suppose M. Look, this is nothing but a right angle triangle, and from the right angle triangle we can find out this is the right angle, and hence the red colored line, that is PQ, which is to be find out, is the hypotenuse. Then we know that hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of other 2 sides, and the other 2 sides are PM, that is PM square, plus another one is QM, that is QM square. So we have to find out the distance between P and Q, which is PQ. So PQ is equals to root under PM square. What is the value of PM? PM is this height. We can easily calculate the height because look here, the total height of this is 5, and M, say this is O1, MO1 is 2, then this is 3. So PM square, so this is 3 square plus QM square. What is the value of QM? QM is the distance between 5 and 2, and we have already find out the distance between any 2 points who are lying on the same axis. QM, this distance is 2 and 5, that is 3 units. So we have the length qm as 3 units. So this is also 3 square. So we have root under 9 plus 9 root 18 units. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the distance between any 2 points. So in this way we can easily find out the distance between any 2 points, but all the times we can't draw the triangle, and by applying the Pythagoras theorem we can't evaluate the distance. Then what to do? How to get the distance between any 2 points? So for that we must have a formula, and there exists a formula to find out the distance between any 2 points. Look at the board. Now suppose we want to find out the formula. Before that, look at the board. Suppose this is the point P whose coordinates are x1, y1, and this is the point Q whose coordinates are x2 and y2. We want to find out the distance between them. That is, we want to find out this line, okay? Then how to get the distance between them? If the coordinates are known, then we can easily form the triangle. By that concept we can easily find out the distance between them. So let's form the triangle, okay? So along x axis we have to go x2 distance and then y2 distance to reach the point Q, and for the point P along x axis we have to go x1 distance and then y1 distance along y1 along the y axis, then we can reach to the point P. So this distance, this total distance is x1, and this total distance is y2, and this is y1. So suppose we are going to find out a triangle, right angle triangle, okay, so that we can calculate the distance PQ. Now look, this is the total distance is x1, this is x2, then this will be x1 minus x2, that is the, say this is PQ and this is suppose M, then PM, the distance PM is x1 minus x2, the total distance is y2 and this one is y1, similarly this one is y1. So what will be the distance QM? The QM will be y2 minus y1. Then easily from the right angle triangle PQM we can easily calculate the distance PQ. By Pythagoras theorem, PQ equals to root under PM square plus QM square, and that's nothing but PM means x1 minus x2. So this is x1 minus x2 whole square plus, and QM means y2 minus y1 whole square. So y2 minus y1 whole square. As these terms are under the square, okay, x1 minus x2 square and x2 minus x1 square are same, okay. That's why I have written the distance formula, that is distance between 2 points P and Q whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2 is nothing but this distance, root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now suppose if we want to find out the distance OP, that is distance of the point P from the origin, then this is nothing but x1 square root under x1 square plus y1 square, because here the second coordinates are nothing but 0, 0. So by putting the values of the coordinates of the origin, that is we know the origin is nothing but 0, 0. If we put 0, 0 in the second coordinate, that is x2 and y2, then we can easily get the distance between O, that is origin, and any point P whose coordinates are x1 y1 is nothing but root under x1 square plus y1 square. So this was the concept of distance formula. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Okay, you can apply this formula to find out the distance between any 2 points. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment, and obviously please do subscribe my channel Strong Math. Mention your query. Keep watching. Thank you.